don't look thick enough to fool the stormers.
I'll sneak out through the secret passage. You get some more branches.
Bind them tightly, you lazy wretch.
Can we rescue Tomas now?
No, we need the horse. It's better to stick to Thea's plan.
They're not worth the food I give you.
Juanita.
Oh, thunder! Poison.
The more I see of this side of the island, the more I like the other side better. Come on, let's go.
Hans-Peter, look!
Are you crazy? Keep away from it.
Maybe it's a reward. If you're smart enough to escape the trap, you get to see what's hidden inside.
Much more interesting than watching sacrifices.
It's pretty basic, really. Like a modern version of your drums.
What does it tell you?
My sister's still missing. My dad's as sick as ever.
If your father's sick, he needs the fruit.
All the fruit does around here is kill you.
No, the fruit of good and evil is different.
Forget it. My dad needs a doctor, not a witch doctor.
It works. It's hard to find, but it cures everything.
Maria, hang on. Does the fruit exist or not?
Yes, why would I make it up?
Have you ever seen it?
No, but I know what it looks like. I'm the storm child. They teach me these things.
It's just a legend. I should know. I searched for it long enough when my mother and father were dying of the fever.
Princess, save the fairy stories for little kids.
It's real.
You know why my family's stuck on this island? Pirate treasure. And that's about as real as your miracle fruit.
The treasure's real enough too.
What do you mean?
Why should I tell you anything? I just tell lies.